subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Y series in India called Vivo Y200e, with eco-fiber leather design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y200e 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y200e sports a triple camera setup under rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, along with the flicker sensor. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Dual Band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.17 by 75.81 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y200e 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 20,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Black Diamond and Saffron Delight color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from March 1st. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y200e 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.